Hello Internet world, welcome to my review of the Nextbase piqo. This is a 2K or 1440p dashcam that was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular, simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now before we start, I will just mention there are two versions of this. There's the 2K 1440p version that I've got here. There is also a 1080p HD version available as well. What you're seeing is the box contents. We have got some stickers here. So we've got Nextbase Road Safety Club and also a sticker that you should display in your windscreen. This is a requirement in some countries. If you're recording outside, you need to display something like this. So we get two stickers to help us comply with applicable laws in your particular country. We also get some dry wipes, wet wipe and a little polishing cloth. This is so we can clean the windscreen where we're going to adhere the quick release mount. So really nice that they include those. We also get what I call a little spudger tool. This is used for two different purposes in my opinion. One is to release the sticky pad if you want to remove the dash cam, put it in a different position. The other end, I've always found these useful for if we need to run the cable sort of around sort of head linings or in gaps. It just allows you to push it into place sometimes. So nice little handy tool included as well. Now I mentioned about the quick release mount. This is the sticky pad with the quick release portion. We also get a spare one included inside this packet here as well. We also get a 12 volt vehicle accessory adapter, and this has got two USB-Cs on it, so we can plug in two USB-C devices at the same time. This is really good because it gives away one of the really nice features of this, and that is it is USB-C. So at last, a dash cam that doesn't use mini USB. Get a nice long cable, USB-C on one end, right angled USB-C on the other end. You can use either end in here, but it's more than likely you're going to use the right angled end in the dash cam. And then of course we get the dash camera itself. This is really lightweight. The reason I mention that is one of the issues I have with a lot of dash cameras is you stick them on with sticky buds. It's fine for certain months of the year, but because of the weight of the dash cam, particularly in the summer when this gets warm, you find that the weight of the dash cam just makes it fall off of your windscreen. So really nice that this is nice and lightweight. We've got an included micro SD card in the side. We have obviously got the lens on the front here, so this is the end that's going to be pointing out your front windscreen. We've also got a button that we can push here, little LED light. We've also got the USB-C connector on this side here. Now if we look round on the back of the box, it's got some of the main features listed, including the fact that there are two models, the piqo 1K 1080p, the piqo 2K, which is what we've got here, which is 1440p. Emergency SOS, so we can send automatic alerts to emergency services. Witness mode Lite, we can secure evidence and notify loved ones just with your voice, so like a voice activation. We've got parked modes as well. We've got smart parking, easy sharing and guardian mode Lite. This has got Wi-Fi in it, GPS location and voice control as well. So this is packed full of features. Very easy to set up through the app. In fact, let me just give you a quick look at this. This gives you an idea of the interface on the app, and it is super easy to set up. Once you've got this installed and up and running, you'll be really impressed with the video quality. And it's really good, especially in daylight, really good video quality in daylight, nice colour rendition, nice detail. But even at night time, you're still getting good video quality. And this all records to the micro SD card. It does it in a loop mode, so it will record until the card's full up, and then it will start overwriting the oldest non-protected files. It supports up to 256GB cards as well, which is really good. If I just pop this one out, you will see that they include a generous 64GB card inside the dash cam. So 64GB, more than enough. I wouldn't see the need to upgrade to a larger capacity. That is more than enough for capturing the video footage on this camera. Why would you want a dash cam? Well, if you are involved in or witness to a road traffic accident or some sort of crime being committed, the video footage could potentially be used as evidence. Also, some, not all, but some insurance companies will give you a discount off of your insurance premium if you install a dash cam. And in addition to that, it gives you peace of mind that you are protecting your car, essentially protecting your driving record as well, because it's recording what's going on outside the front of your vehicle. This is the Nextbase piqo. If you're in the market for a dash cam, I can certainly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out those links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.